Hello, good morning student. Welcome back to your chemistry class. So today we start with your chemistry practicals and today start with the first practical, that is the preparation of double salt. So here the first practical, that is to prepare crystals of ferrous sulfate solution, that is known as Mohor salt. So first with the requirement, that is the chemical ferrous sulfate 7 gram, ammonium sulfate, that is the 3.5 gram, and dilute sulfuric acid, that is 2 to 3 ml of diluted sulfuric acid, and for the using of ethyl alcohol washing of the crystal. So first in the procedure we'll take 250 ml of beaker. In this beaker we place your 7 gram of ferrous sulfate and ammonium sulfate crystal mixture. After the second beakers we take and boils 20 ml of waters in the another beakers, and this mixture of crystals to dissolve in this boiling of water 20 ml, and the boiling of this water of to add and stir the totally mixture. Okay, after mixing of this mixture, the filtrate of the solutions and to remove the undissolved of the impurities. After that is a transfer of liquid of solution into the china dish, and the filtrate of boil of this solution into china dish for to check the formations of Mohor salt of crystals in the glass rod, and the formation of the crystals in the glass rod. Then after to this china dish, that is placed on the cold beaker of water of solutions, and to check the next day the formation of crystal, and then after to remove of these crystals impurities by the using of ethyl alcohols and weight of these crystals through weighing machines, and dry with the filter paper of these crystals. Now we start with your next performing this experiment. So this is the mixture of solution, that is the ferrous sulfate, that is 7 gram. You can see that is the greenish color, light greenish colors, and second is the ammonium sulfate, that is the 3.5 gram of ammonium sulfate. So firstly these two mixture that is mixed into the beakers, and add this is the second, that is shows diluted sulfuric acid, that is the 10 ml of dilute sulfuric acid, but here the consider that is a 2 to 3 ml of dilute sulfuric acid. So that is a firstly mixture of this salt. Okay, that is the firstly mixture of this salt, and then after the 2 to 3 ml of diluted sulfuric acid. So I have 2 to 3 ml of dilute sulfuric acid and this mixture of crystals. Okay, so next step, that is the second, that is the boil of the 20 ml of water. Okay, in the beaker. Okay, second point, that is after the mixture of these crystals, second step, that is the boil of 20 ml of water just to 5 minutes. After the boiling of this water, to this boil of water, that is add in this of mixture of solution and stirrer. After the next step, that is the mixture of this solution into this mixture to, that is the obtain a solution, and here the removal of some impurities by the using of method, that is the filtration. Okay, is the after the this boil of water, that is mixed into the first beaker. Okay, so I am going to mix this mixture, so continuously to stir and dissolve the salt of this mixture. So students, you can see that is the dissolve of salt in this water. Okay, so we have that is the obtain a clear solution. Now next, that is the step of this solution to filtrate by the filter paper, and so next, that is the step to filtrate of this solution by the filtration method, and to remove the impurities of this solution. Okay, so you can see that is the filtration process. After the filtrate of the solution to hot of to boil this mixture in china dish. The filtration of the solutions to filtrate of this solution in china dish up to the point of crystallization, and after the filtration this crystal, and to washing with your ethyl alcohol to remove the impurities, and to weight of crystal and dry with your filter paper. these crystal. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day, students. Your crystals, that is the greenish blue crystal of Mohor salt, and that is the appear at the bottom of the china dish. You can see that. So this is the mother liquid in the china dish, that is your separated, and the wash of the crystal of Mohor salt with the some ethyl alcohols, and dry up this crystal, and to be weight of to dry up these crystals with the use of filter papers, and the weight of crystals to find the how many yield of this crystal. So this is the total about for the preparation of crystal of ferrous ammonium sulfate, or that is called as a Mohor salt. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day, students. I hope do you understand the how will you prepare the ferrous ammonium sulfate. Crystals your ferrous sulfate, Mohor salt. Okay, so I am to dry off these crystals. You can see that that is the shape of crystal, that is your monoclinic, and this is the color of, that is greenish, light greenish color, and the weight of yield of this crystal, that is a 7.1 grams. Okay, student, so this is about your whole practicals about the Mohor salt. Okay, so I hope you understand how to prepare the Mohor salt. Okay, students, so thank you and have a nice day.